Do you want to earn $600 straight into your PayPal account? Imagine being able to gain all these things and all this money, and every single penny and dime that you're seeing right now will go straight into your PayPal account by following very simple steps. So click this button and... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, there's so many ways to make money online, but obviously not everything worked the same, not everything worked as great, and maybe you're just not with the right platforms, you're just not watching the right videos. But in today's video, you've come to the right place. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do it. You're gonna earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on complete autopilot, and you're gonna see that this video could actually have a huge financial impact on you. Now we're going to show you how you can use this website, CreativeLive, that's our website for today, to start making money from $100 to $1,000 on complete autopilot. Now, if you're wondering, CreativeLive is a company or website that basically offers a lot of training and workshops, courses and classes. And if I go to the classes area right here, you're going to see that there are a lot of different types of classes. There's business, photography, and Adobe cameras, which fall under art and design customers and can purchase a variety of lessons. So people come on here to purchase these lessons on this website, which has various drawing classes, branding designs, and a lot more. They just don't focus on those type of training. They go beyond, and you'd be surprised. Now, don't get me wrong, it's completely free. It doesn't need any investments, no payments, but what we're going to be doing is actually bringing other people to this website, advertising it as a place to buy and sell different courses provided by different skilled teachers, and it's completely true, real and legit, and website that can actually benefit a lot of people. It's a win-win situation pretty much, because you can earn a lot of money online by referring other people to this website, and these people that you refer can also have a lot of fun while learning new things that they probably have wanted to learn and they just don't know where to go to be able to learn it. So once you get to the home page of this website, you're going to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page. You're going to search for this category over here, join us, and you want to see here, become an affiliate. Then I want you to click on this link, which will take you to this website where you can learn more about the affiliate program and how you can make money by connecting your audience to better content. Now, there are many reasons to actually enjoy CreativeLive, to appreciate it. And one of those is that they're going to give you a huge 30% income share. That is a lot in commission because, most of the time it's only 15%, 10%, 5%. This one is 30%. Now, the second reason why I love this affiliate program in particular is that your affiliate links are going to be tracked for a period of 30 days. So after you sign up for a free account with their affiliate network, you can start gaining and taking your unique affiliate links and advertising them in order to earn commissions. And on top of that, you can receive money on all of the purchases made with your link within 30 days after the original click. So on top of that, even more, to the first 30%, right? I want you guys to answer this question in the comments down below. What would you do as soon as you receive $600? I'm just curious, and while you're at it, include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, let's say you're going to be selling these programs right here, such as Foundations of Photography, and you can see that the pricing is actually $30 from here. So you can make a 30% profit on the first 30 customers, which is your first front-end commissions. And if your recommended customers decide to buy this course, Adobe, Photoshop, or other courses in the music and audio category, or that you may just purchase any other courses within 30 days, you're still gonna get paid. Many customers love to go back to the website and make more purchases after enjoying the very first one and learning a lot from the very first one. one. So it's amazing. And right now they're probably offering a discount, so you can go check that out, but I'm not exactly sure, but you guys can check because day by day it does update, so probably the day you're watching this, it's already gone. Anyway, let's continue. Now, there's a lot of courses on CreativeLive. You're not gonna run out of absolutely any course, and it's actually insane. Now, I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to get free traffic as well by getting free visitors to click on your affiliate links, which is gonna result in a lot of people purchasing this courses with your link, and then you're gonna be making a lot of money. So make sure you continue watching. Make sure you follow closely because it's great news that I'm going to show you right now. Now, I want to share with you that this website is actually presenting a global opportunity, which means that from anyone from anywhere around the world can actually join in. And all you have to do is join the affiliate program, which is completely free, by the way. All you have to do is click on the sign up button, and from there you're going to scroll down and you're going to read more about the affiliate program just to maybe open up your senses, which is basically just about 30 on the front end and the 30-day monitoring cookie. And when you get to the bottom of this page, you're going to simply type in your username, your password, and your country under the section. And then you're just going to type in your password, and then you're going to continue to complete your registration. Now, like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos, and we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that now. I'll reveal the answer to our next part. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you some of the potential earnings that you can have with this website. So when you click on courses and then all classes, you're going to be taken to this page where you can see that there are a total of 1,899 classes from which you can send free traffic to a specific online class. And here's where the next issue arises. But what is even cooler is that you can actually send them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website if your customer wants to just enjoy the free training. Many of them are going to go on to purchase all of these online classes because they're running a huge discount, and many people will love them and make a purchase and earn a commission instantly. For example, if I choose to click on this class right here, Fundamentals of Photography, I can watch the video, see the real cost, look over all of the specific instructions, including the pricing, structure, and read a lot of feedback from consumer testimonials. Another popular category over here is actually Adobe Photoshop, which has a huge number of customers who just want to learn about Adobe Photoshop and start learning about photo editing. So now I'm going to show you a variety of free traffic techniques for getting people to buy from your affiliate links. Now, Twitter is a great approach to gain these free visitors, these free traffic, and earn a lot of money. And all you have to do is open up twitter.com, sign up for a free account, and basically Twitter works like social media in that a lot of people come over here to ask a lot of questions, and they can get a lot of targeted traffic from people who are looking to learn like Adobe Photoshop, maybe, for example. And if you go over there and type in keyword on how to use Adobe Photoshop and then click on the search button down below, you can then find a lot of people who are asking the same question: how can I learn Adobe Photoshop and how to use Adobe Photoshop? And they're only looking for a training class to learn about Adobe Photoshop. And guess what? They're all very focused. They are very determined to learn. Now, you don't have to invest any money to make a lot of money using this method. And another well-known website is Quora, and we always bring Quora up when it comes to getting free traffic because this is also another great platform where people come to and ask questions. So you can search on Quora by going to the search bar, typing in phrases like how to be more productive, because they actually do provide these types of classes on CreativeLive, self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances. These are just a few examples, and the trick is to actually cast a wide net in order to catch a variety of fish. For example, you could use Twitter to promote various Photoshop tutorials and camera instructions, or you could go to Quora and find targeted individuals in the financial and self-improvement categories. And by doing so, you can actually widen your horizon and target a bigger and a wider range of people who are most interested in graphics and design, and you can encourage them to take the different classes. You can display your graphic design, logo design, and other work in the art and design section to lure them in. The earning ratio is endless, so it's absolutely free, and there are various categories or classes to pick from. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you comment, guys, down below what you loved about today's video, or what you hated, or what you want to change, or what you recommend. And that is pretty much it. I will see you in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.